In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website speed using Cloudflare's Speed Brain feature. This tool helps enhance the performance of your online presence by efficiently managing content delivery and ensuring that your site runs smoothly and quickly. First, we'll start by navigating to Cloudflare. If you haven't visited Cloudflare before, it's a robust platform that offers a variety of services, including security, performance enhancements, and reliability for web content delivery. Opening your browser, head over to Cloudflare's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once inside, you'll be greeted with a dashboard where all your domains are listed. Now that you're in the dashboard, locate your specific domain name that you wish to optimize. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new page that offers various management settings for that domain. Look for the section labeled Speed in the navigation menu. The Speed section is where you'll find tools specifically designed to optimize your website's performance. Click on it, and you should see various options to enhance how your site behaves in terms of speed. Within the Speed section, there's a subsection called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to access more refined configuration options. Now navigate your way to Content Optimization. This part of the interface allows you to manage how content is arranged and delivered to visitors of your site. It's crucial as it directly influences how fast your site can load and perform under various circumstances. Once you're in Content Optimization, you'll see a toggle option to switch on a feature called Speed Brain. This feature is a relatively new and advanced tool provided by Cloudflare, aimed at offering intelligent, automatic adjustments and enhancements for delivering web content as efficiently as possible. Simply toggle the Speed Brain option to On, and Cloudflare will take care of optimizing delivery paths and resources to improve your website's speed significantly. The beauty of Speed Brain is that it uses machine learning and sophisticated algorithms to adjust the delivery of content dynamically. This means it adapts to changes in traffic and can improve load times without needing constant manual intervention. And that's just about it. With Speed Brain now enabled, your website should experience improved speed and responsiveness. Remember to occasionally check back for further updates and options in Cloudflare to continually enhance how your site performs. This feature is a fantastic way of ensuring your site users are getting the quickest and most seamless experience possible. Thanks to Cloudflare's user-friendly interface, making these adjustments is quick and easy. Congratulations, you've successfully optimized your site's speed using Cloudflare.